Hello everyone. Today we will going to implement a develop a personalized recommendation system using AWS personalize, which leverages machine learning algorithm to provide individual recommendations. First of all, we'll be using AWS personalize service in this. This service actually it is meant to generate recommendations for users based on their previous data or given data. For example, like Netflix movie recommendations, Google search recommendations, like that. For this, we will be using AWS personalize and S3 buckets also, and S3 buckets. First, you need to go to AWS console and go to AWS personalize. Before personalization, you need to create a data set. Upload a data set. So first go to S3 bucket. In S3 bucket, create a bucket with the name as your wish, like recommendations, like that. And after creating, you click on that S3 bucket. You can see here objects, properties, permissions. Click here upload and you can add files. I already added a file data.xl. You can see the data Excel. I have taken random data, but you can take many data for many users. I have taken for 2 users. Actually, in personalize, we will be having main important things are user ID, or user ID. It actually indicates that which user is which is accessing which item, and also we need item item which indicates which item user is accessing, or which item which user is accessing. And also you need event type, such as for example, for movies you can take action movies, thrillers and horror movies, like that. And also you need timestamps, event type, and event timestamp. These are the main things you need to have in your dataset or a CSV file, and the data is up to your wish, and for which application you are using, you can use it for any application. After creating dataset, you need to upload dataset. After uploading dataset, you need to go to permissions, and in permissions you need to paste this type of this type code, and this will allow personalized AWS personnel to read your bucket or your database. And now navigate to your personalize service. In personalize group, first personalizes, you need to create a dataset group. Name your dataset group, and you need to select domain on first. For example, e-commerce, for example Amazon. It give you recommendation based on your last searches, like that. Like video demand is on Netflix, YouTube. Those create custom, you can create anything. You can take any of these 3. I have taken e-commerce. I will show you that. My recommendation groups. After this, I need to add that data which I have in my Excel. and also in my S3 I need to create item interactions dataset, and this is also very important in AWS personal item interaction dataset. This dataset consists of user item, the above items all which we have talking about, all will be indicated in the dataset. After creating dataset, you need to click on import directly data from AWS personalized dataset. After clicking on next, you need to name one day, and you need to name. After that, this is the type of the data which I have given: record, namespace, user string type, like that, username string, like that. uh, After that, after after importing the data, you'll be seeing importing data. In data sets column you can see data item enter. You'll be seeing active. After this, to see that recommendations, you'll be having a campaign type. You need to train this. To train this, it will take around 20 to 40 minutes based off your data set. After that, you need to create a solution and deploy a campaign. I'm not showing it because it's taking time to deploy. After that, you can see the test campaign, and I will show you example output. This is the output. Here, if you enter the user ID, it will show the recommended IDs and recommendation score also it will be showing. I will show you after creating here. If the data is not coming, you need to create an IAM role for the S3 bucket to access the personalized website. Here you can see a personalized public website. That example, I'll show you it. Yeah, this is the personalized basic website, or you need to click start, continue. These are the rules. You need to pick some movies, and based on the movies you have picked, it will recommend you some choices. Become new user, your name, save and continue. It will show some of the movies. Here I will be selecting some movies. Now see recommendations. It's importing the seeing the dataset and generating recommendations. Yeah, these are the recommendations what I got from the selected, and these are the recommendation scores. Like this the personalized works, and many e-commerce websites use this. And yeah, thank you for watching.